Hi guys, so the question is minimum path sum. As you can see, given an m cross n grid filled with non-negative integers, find a path from left to bottom right which minimizes the sum of all numbers along its path. Note you can only move either down or right at any point in time. Okay, so yeah, we have to what it's saying, we have to find the path from top left to bottom right. Okay, like this, top left to bottom right, which minimize the sum of all numbers along its path. Okay, you can only move either down or right at any point in time. Okay, we can move either down or either right. Okay, this two movements we have to find what minimum sum of all numbers. Okay, like these all are the grids, m cross n grid. In this m cross n grid, what is the smallest number of sum of path we can find? Okay, so how we will going to do it? Let's see. Yeah, int n is equal to grid dot size, int m is equal to grid dot size. Then here we will declare 2D vector. dp m comma vector int n comma 0. Okay, then dp 0 0 grid 0 0 for int j is equal to 1, j is less than n, j increment. Okay, then dp j is equal to dp 0 j minus 1 grid 0 j. Okay, then for int I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to m, I plus plus dp I 0 is equal to dp I minus 1 plus grid I 0. Okay, then we will fill all the cells like int I is equal to 1, I is less than m, I plus plus for int j is equal to 1, j is less than n, j plus plus, then dp I j is equal to grid I j plus in dp I minus 1 j comma dp I j minus 1. Return m minus 1 n minus 1. Okay, now it's correct. Let's run the code. Okay, there is an issue, dp I 0 I less than m is the error, plus grade I plus 1 dp I minus we're starting with these both I and j. Cool. What is saying? Value error, invalid operation or expression val type. type int. Okay. DPI -1. Yeah, okay, I forgot about it. There is an issue. What's the okay, it's correct. DPI 0G0 is also correct. M-1 DPN-1 is correct. DP grid I plus minimum DP then J, then DPI J-1. Okay, cool. Yeah, so it's also cool. Int I is equal to int J is equal to. Okay, yeah. What's the issue? DPI is equal to 1 error addressing buff minimum. DPI or S1 quit plus 1. Okay. Oh yeah, variables issue. Okay, yeah, so the code is finally working. There was so many mistype I have done, like variables didn't declare the second row column. So yeah, it's working now. It beat 100% in runtime and around 40% in memory. Okay guys, so yeah, that's it. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely reply it. Thank you for watching.